How's it going, bros? My name is I'm having one of those relatable days. I don't know how relatable it is. I fell off the skateboard, my pants broke, so I'm sitting without pants, and I stepped in dog shit. All at the same time. In one move. And just having a really bad day, and I just need to record a video, and you bros suggested Cat Mario 4. Because apparently someone from the pits of hell thought that was a good idea. The spikes are lethal, I know this. Look at that shit. Coins? Fuck you, I'm not gonna fall for that. That coin. Oh, but you mother. I'm not pissed. That's fine. I'm happy bad things happen to good people. You fucking. I hate everyone, and I hope everyone dies a horrible death. Can I take these? I can! Oh, what the fuck was that? Okay, you just gotta get speed. How the f- Alright, watch me do this shit. Cat Mario's pussy!
For the fight.
Oh, shit! Look at me shaking my titties. Ba-ba-da-bip-bip-a-dip-bip-boo. Ah! Ah! Help! I can't trust anything. Oh! Twice in a row. I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep. Fuck you, sperm. Ah! Double sperm! Double sperm. We haven't seen that shit since 1984. There's a checkpoint right there. How do we do this? Okay, I'm gonna trust the coins. What are the coins? They're not even counting. I'm gonna trust you too, coin. And you too. You know what? I bet you have. Look at this shit. Yes. 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 Oh, you spiky fucking cunt. The fuck is your fucking problem, man? I'm just gonna go for it. Oh my god, I just had to go for it. Okay. No, that's... Oh, you cloudy fucking bitch. Alright, we got... Why is there a cloud there? Ba-ba-da-bap-bap. I don't try... What is this? I don't trust this. This game is the reason I have trust issues. Please, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill... What? It was that easy? Video games... Oh my... Video games was not in... Can I finish my fucking sentence? Video games was not... Video games. There we go. You can see my... What? What? Of course there was a fucking cloud there, wasn't it? Ah! I have no soul. I'm dead inside. I haven't felt an emotion since the first Cat Mario. My elbow Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, no. No, keep doing it, Cat Mario. Keep doing it. I love you, Cat Mario. Cat Mario. Cat Mario. Jump here. Jump here. Don't forget about the cloud. And number 3 is gonna fuck me in the ass. Fuck me then. There you go, you fuck. Hoppa då för i helvete! If there's one more, I swear to God! Bring it! I can't jump on these, I know it's a troll. Oh my God. It's the wrong day. It's just the wrong day to do this. There you go, you fell then, you did it. Lord bread, Lord bread, Lord bread, please give me strength, Lord bread.